And 35 cents. Pins are 14. And we got tons more, but I couldn't read them. But these are just the ones I could see. This is probably the second nicest ring. Look at these, bro. Almost every one of these is silver.
Yeah, it's just they're exactly the same style as the other ones.
These are a little bit better, though.
They're not scrap. Most of this isn't scrap.
No, there's some better ones in here. These little flat ones aren't that good, but all the little Eiffel Towers, and those are good. That's my favorite piece right there. That's not platinum.
I'll bet you $1. The one was, the other side was transparent.
In your,
You want to be famous, you gotta go on Manny's video. He gets all the views.
Right.
I'm just a small channel compared to this guy.
Aquí encontraron más records.
These are a little more rock and roll than the other boxes, which is nice.
He's a little bit country. I'm a
That
little
was a Paul
bit rock
McCartney.
and roll.
Was that Paul McCartney? The black one? The one right here.
I think they're...
No, it looked like him.
Yes, they all are. Paul. Roger.
Like Paul McCartney.
Andy.
Who?
The Who.
Who's are good for 10, 15 bucks?
The Who's. What's nice is the condition on all these. These are like damn near mint.
That's all right looking.
I like it.
It looks like a Rolling Stones album.
See, a lot of it had like paper. Like
Hey, Roger.
Kenny just passed away recently.
in the paper. And the finding some good stuff,
I mean, it's not a bad box, but it's not like, it's hard when you find that Beatles collection yesterday.
Pirates of all ages. This is the storage pile right here. I'd like to give a special shout out to my boy Manny. I can't say his name, but it's really long, it's really complicated.
Comprando, depositos, abandonos. Was that good? That was like the best one I've said so far. Despacito. We are in this storage unit. We are past the halfway marker. If you look all the way around, that's the 10-foot halfway marker. There is some chairs. We've got what looks like nothing but boxes to go through. There's no telling the rhyme or reason. This is not even really an intro because I didn't even end the last night's video, but we're going to continue going through this. In a fashion, because some of the boxes are pure junk, I'm going to try to go through and I'll set aside, make a little video. Same thing today. We're loading the flea market truck up. Flea market truck's already loaded. This is the money. This is the I don't know what this is the bank. This is the before I put the shirts away, I just laid them out like this. Good thanks to Manny for helping me be a cameraman. Got some cool shirts. Free Willy 2 movie. This one I think is going to be one of the better ones in this pile, but it's a Grateful Dead 1994. I'm unsure. It's definitely vintage because it says made in USA, but I'm unsure when Grateful Dead stopped touring completely. We got just a bunch of shirts. Bill Graham Foundation. Thought that was cool because it said Bridge School, maybe Scott. We got sports shirts, tons of Giant shirts. Look at this, Beatles. This is not a concert shirt, but it is Beatles. Beatles, same thing. Then we got Steve Miller concert shirt. Some cool vintage shirts. We got Phil Collins concert shirt. Boston concert shirt. Michael Bolton concert shirt. Another Giant shirt. FedEx. Mickey's always good. Giants. Eyes on the Prize, World Cup, Rod Stewart, and last but not least, Neil Diamond. That is a nice pile of shirts. That's, in my eyes, that's probably $400 or $500 easy.
Nice.
It's just weird. Well, you know, one of those things you attract. Another bobblehead there. Then we got this designed exclusively for Avon. Look at that. Sterling Silver Rose Bob Mackie Barbie. That's a nice Barbie, the Bob Mackie edition. This was cool hat. Vintage trucker hat. Vintage patch in decent shape. This was the money shot right here. This was the money shot. Let's see if we can open this without. That was probably expensive back in the day when VHS was expensive. Official League Baseball. Willie McCovey. There's the COA. I like autographs when they have COAs. It makes it real simple to sell. Is that real? Yes, it has a COA. You know, I just like a little bit of work going on. Got work going on. Work going on. No, Christmas. Table truck box. Table truck box. That's the whole pattern here. See that? Table truck box. Nope. Oh yes, it's a blender. All right.
You want a water or anything?
Got a margarita?
Yeah, I got some water.
Oh. Water sounds, I guess, a bit second best choice. Oh wow. Yeah. I'll take the water.
You want water? Scott, you want water?
Everybody comes prepared but me, ladies and gentlemen. This looks like just like perfume. Maybe that's why I said PT. Is this an actual pillow? Yes. You always want to check though, because there could be money hidden in something like that. Oh, it's sewing stuff. Flea market. What is up with this? That's an atlas.
Flea market or eBay?
It's definitely not flea market, but I've been saving books. I've been saving books and saving books. I'm in a mode where I save everything like that. Too much loss for money anywhere else. Ladies and gentlemen, look, Scott actually found something nice. Oh, is that sign?
This side?
Let me see here.
Look, you got a COE on the back.
Don stays a signature with this, and it's a preprint.
Oh, don't tell me that.
You got me excited because that would have been several $100 to maybe even $1,000.
It's pretty on this side.
Pretty on this side.
You found it?
That's nice. What's that?
I think it's 600 parts.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Reed and Barton, I did find one of those. Weird assortment of things. Week number 1, Jeff can't display and stand. Okay. Let's see what else we got. We got Barbie Angelic Expressions. We got Barbie 2002 Special Editions, Fancy Barbie. We got Holiday Barbie. What you doing, nothing, chilling with the Holiday Barbie. That's a couple $1 box. Scott, did you find something cool you'd like me to point out? Let's see. Record breaker 73 home run, October 7th, 2001. Barry Bonds, career. Probably a ball she got. Oh, it's a World Series. Official.
Tool shed.
Billy Ray Cyrus, don't break his achy breaky heart. All right, now let's find some treasure because now I'm kind of like, yeah, I need to find a good box. Good one right here, Scott.
I know. Why did you guys put that, Dingleberry?
Nikon FEE2.
Dingleberry, I put it there. I found it. I found the good stuff.
Oh, yeah?
I found all the good stuff.
All right, let's sell some gold and feel better. That's a good bag. All right, we're going to go through here. We got some paper. We got our paper guy right here. Look at this colorful man right here. What's that? Colorful man.
What was this? Flea market or?
That's the flea market box.
Manny, you want to do a Coinstar video too?
Oh, but I'm down to take a guess. And whoever we got, wait, what about all the coins?
Why do I got to do all the Coinstar videos? I could do a second one.
Do 2 in 1 or?
I could do a second one.
For sure, I'm down. I'll be tight.
I like doing Coinstar videos, so.
Whoever gets it right gets it all. What again?
Oh,
Damn, that's tight.
that's too much money. It's
Oh,
all quarters.
Split that.
There's a couple $100 in there.
It's a good Coinstar video.
There's a couple hundred. No, you can't. That's $20
It's about 275 bucks.
Mike, 275 and 35 cents. One dime floating around in there, folks.
Those are cool.
It was great.
Those are
and then it
50 to
kinda fell
75
off,
bucks
and
right
it's
there.
really-
On a Rolling Stones t-shirt. Mine's better.
Ooh, not gold. Avon. No. You clickbaited me.
Still good though.
Let me see this. Bridges of Babylon, 1997. It's a good Scott.
It's a good shirt.
About time, Scott. Appreciate that. There is almost no difference in this unit from the other unit. It's crazy. Coherent. That's flea market.
Bless you.
Excuse me. Thank you. I make a lot of noise.
But I'm trying to explain to you how I've created
That's good.
my luck.
I'm lost.
It's in my own words.
Kidney transplant record.
Oh, wow.
Interesting.
Where's the kidney?
I'm not sure. Maybe they framed it. Oh, here it is. Oh, no, never mind. Ooh, a red line. Corvette red line.
That could be a 75 bucks, actually.
It's
Don't
a
break
Corvette
it,
red line,
please.
dude.
Is this your chest mount, Scott?
No. Not sure what that is.
Beatles alarm clock. That's a few bucks.
Ooh, that's cute.
It's 20, 50 bucks.
I agree. It all adds up.
It all adds up. Comment below if you know how many $50 bills it takes to get to $1 million. It actually resembles the potential of silver, to be honest with you.
Does, huh?
Just so happens I got the gold guy coming, so.
Could have had it just melted down into a brick.
Huh? Feels cool too. Feels heavy.
Doesn't look like lead. It has that silver look. Greatest football team of all time.
That's all you like.
Steely Dan. E.T. Jay-Z, Elton John, and Billy Joe.
I found a couple of them right there.
You're doing a great job, Manny.
You, Mike. Why can't I get
Hey, Ryan,
Woo! Look at that shot! He shoots, he scores!
Paul McCartney.
Goal!
Is it?
That's a nose ring. It is. Isn't that a nose ring?
That's huge. Maybe
It's
clear or not?
It's platinum. It's thin.
I want gold?
Something in there.
Nice lead crystal. That's good. No, that's not good. The envelopes are full of money. Van Morrison 93. There's a $30 to $50 bill. Captain America. That was cute. That was a good. Look at that. Captain America. It's a ski outfit.
Hold it. Well, you want to take it down?
No. Do you? Twinkie the Kid, Hostess, Wonder Bread.
Jacket.
It's almost a bomber jacket.
Take the side away.
Where's the good pile? This box.
Yeah. Mickey Epcot Center. That's kind of neat. That's a cool vintage shirt. London Bridge.
Bradford Exchange. Plates.
Shut.
Ooh.
Up.
Japan. These are neat.
Oh, God.
They just say Japan, but they're neat.
I'll take the other ones.
I do real well on sunglasses very often. I would actually probably list these too.
Magical mystery here.
Super cool. As well, pirates, I have a little favor to ask. I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video. Oh, real quick, by the way, say hello to the Salt Princess. We're doing our post office run. And I'm going to drop a link to a very important playlist of mine. A while back, I accumulated what is, in my eyes, Storage Auction Pirate, the most lucrative, greatest collection of stuff ever found on YouTube. I'm not saying this is the greatest storage unit ever known to man, but I have a full playlist front to back describing every item ever found in this unit, what I did with it, and where I went to sell it. Things did not work out to the best of the ability. Something happened, and I don't know why it was fumbled so bad, but I lost a lot of money. And there's things going around YouTube that everything that I had sold inside of this storage unit was garbage, that I'm lucky that I got the little bit I did, only my name carried the weight of the value, etc., etc. So now I'm stuck having to deal with lawsuits and doing anything I can to get my money back for the sake of, you know, what's rightfully mine. So what I'm asking is for everybody, all you pirates, to go through and please kindly watch this playlist. And you tell me if you think there's $100,000+ in this playlist, and share this playlist out. Get this playlist seen and ask as many people to comment in the video what you think of value of everything is, because I'm bewildered, and all this helps for me on a battle that I must fight. Me and another friend are also dealing with this same stuff. So we don't need to mention names. We don't even need to discuss it. The whole thing's been done on YouTube. So very rightfully, everybody has a right to speak their mind once you put it on YouTube. But the fact is, you pirates have a right to stand up and as well speak too, and help me get the word out of this, and help me get to the bottom of what the truth is on what really happened to my stuff and what you think it's worth. So real simple favor, go to the description of this video, right? I'll put it right here somewhere. Just watch it. I mean, it's worth it. If you watched it already once, I'm sure it's worth watching again. It's a very fun playlist. I'm talking some of the greatest treasures ever found in storage unit history. So just share the playlist, not an individual video, but go to like your Facebook, your Twitters, your Instagram, everywhere you possibly can, and just kindly share the playlist so the whole world could see it farther than they may have. I would appreciate that. I not often I really try to ask anything of anybody. I work hard for what it is I do. I don't ever ask for handouts. I'm not that type of person. You guys know last year I ended up being homeless in a hotel and a car with my children, this being one of them. I didn't ask the world to help me. I didn't want anybody to pay for my home. I didn't want PayPal donations. I didn't act like a victim. I did what any man would do in the right shoes, which is hustle, grind, rewind. Get up off my butt, and I did what needed to be done, because that's the beauty of the storage business. The storage business could be one of the most lucrative things that ever transpire in my eyes, because there's so much potential. You don't even need to ask somebody's help. You could do it next to nothing. And I don't like being a victim. I did this because I wanted to show the world how to do something with very little. It's very simple. So please, I appreciate it. I love y'all.